The results were .290 and .294.
So are you telling me that she had...
There are no priors, but there is a pending one out of Austin County, it appears.
She has a pending DWI. I'm going to do it for you, and I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand? Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On January 18th, 2025, the officer observed the vehicle failing to drive in a single lane on West Grand Parkway in Harris County, Texas. The defendant was swerving in and out of two lanes and came close to crashing into another vehicle in the next lane. A traffic stop was conducted, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle. The officer observed disorientation, a moderate odor of an alcoholic beverage, and slurred speech. The defendant could not provide ID or insurance, and the officer observed an open container of alcohol on the floorboard next to her feet. The defendant stated she had not consumed alcohol, and the officer observed slow movements and unsteadiness on her feet. Standard filter Brady tests were conducted, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, one leg stand 2 out of 4. The defendant was read the DIC and consented to breath. The results were .290 and .294.
So are you telling me that she had alcohol in the car while she's driving?
There was an open container on the floorboards.
Did you put any other indicators like it's cold or...
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Keys, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. Do you understand, man? I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail, man. No more PR bonds. Have you run your license, Alex?
I'll run it right now, Your Honor.
Please. And any prior gas?
There are no priors, but there is a pending one out of Austin County, it appears.
She has a pending DWI in Austin County?
Yes, Judge.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can have a contempt hearing every single time you drive. It's an offense in and of itself, punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time. I am now going to put an ankle monitor on you so I know that you're not consuming, and I'm also giving you a curfew of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. On your other ankle, you're going to get a GPS monitor. Stop. I don't want you to talk about the case. I can provide you a lawyer today, but if they're telling me that you have an open DWI and now you picked up another one, I have a big problem with that. I was going to provide you a lawyer today, ma'am, if you would like, a court-appointed lawyer. Did you want a court-appointed lawyer? I will provide you a lawyer today. Ms. Keys, if you have a problem with alcohol, I'm giving you the opportunity now to address it on your own. If you do not, I'm going to do it for you, and I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my public at all cost. Every single day, someone dies from a DWI in our county. I need you to fill an application for me, and or you know what? Hold on a second, maybe not. No. Vic, I have an application on file already. So if you just want to appoint her a lawyer, I'm going to have you sign a receipt with Victoria. You will meet with Felicia for your bond conditions, and after that, we'll have you take your seat while I'm your lawyer.
I
I'm going to have you sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. After that, I'll have you take a seat while I find your lawyer. Please.
No driving affidavit?
Oh, yeah, no driving affidavit. Right.
I spoke with her again. She said that she needed to reach out to her dad and brother to see a time that would work for him to come.
Where is the car?
The car is at the property at
Is it in the, like, apartment complexes have outlying lots. They have lots that are inside of a gate. You need a code to get in to get the car. She didn't say where the car is?
I know the address of where the car is. I don't know exactly what type of property it is.
Can we do an in run around this, Judge? If you'll allow exemption for me to do all the, middlemanning, my client will go and pick up the vehicle. I'll get it. I'll talk to them and
Okay.
get it somewhere.
And you're an officer of the court. I trust you. Find out where the car is exactly so he knows exactly where to go get it. Hopefully it's not in a complicated place where he's going to have to talk to them because I don't want him to talk to them.
Of course, I
You know?
will be communicating with them about anything from him, just for him to
Yeah.
get the.
So let them know that he's not to talk to them. If he goes and tries to talk to them, I'm putting him in jail, right?
Yes, Judge.
Just to get the car, that's it, and
I
get the middleman, right? Yeah, of course you can. I mean, you're the go-between.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
for sure.
Will we need to redraft that? Commissioner can just finish on it.
Let me see what it says. Hold on.
But technically, if I'm doing it, I guess it's still no contact.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this to say this. It says, do we know what day he wants to go back?
I don't know, I'll have to sort all that. That's why I'm saying there's gonna be some contact about, is there a gate code? Where is it? When? So I need to,
Because he's got 3 days from the date of that letter, right? When was that letter?
I think it says until the 25th.
Okay, just remind me.
Okay, so I'm going to put here, defendant has until 1:25 to go get his car from the above listed address. Defendant is not to have any contact with the complaining witnesses and no weapons as well. So he's going to be the middleman to figure out where that car is for you to get it. You get it and you go. Don't dilly-dally. Don't try to talk to them. If someone comes, just get it and go. Make sure you have everything with you. They're probably going to maybe want insurance. Don't bring an insurance card. It's like when you go pick up your card at your car at like an impound lot. You need your insurance card. If you don't have insurance, they're not going to give it to you. Make sure you come with the keys. You got your insurance card, everything, so that you know. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We'll have you sign this. So you know what you can and can't do.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, good. Come up, sign it. We'll let you go.
Thank you.
Okay. And thank you,
Thank you for your patience.
JP. No. Thank you. You're doing great.
Judge Fleischer made the call. Miss Keys walked away with her freedom, but under a mountain of strict bond conditions. But here's the question. Did the judge go too far with dual ankle monitors, or was this necessary for public safety? Comment below. Team prevention or team defendant? Was this ruling fair or absolute overkill? If this case got you thinking, hit like and share this with a friend.